our disciplined forces for standing firm to defend our nation. I want to commit to you that we will respect the independence of the police, the operational independence of the police, the financial independence of our units, for them to discharge their responsibilities without fear, without favor, without bias. I have already informed the leadership of our police that we do not need them to assist us on matters politics. We have enough lobby groups, we have enough pressure groups, we have enough officials of parties to work with us on matters politics. The only thing that we ask of you is to discharge your mandate and make sure that all Kenyans are safe. Their property is safe, and our country is safe. That's all we ask of you, and we will do our utmost to support you so that you can discharge your mandate. I also want to single the men and women in our disciplined forces who refused to be recruited into political schemes and machinations in the last general election. I commend you for your professionalism, for your commitment to country, and for being independent of all political and other persuasion.